Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro. First of all, go to the bottom of your phone and here you will find a hole. In this hole, you go to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert here in this hole. And the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Now keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing two slots. Okay, in the front side you are seeing one slot. Here in the back side you are seeing another slot. So you can insert two SIM cards. Okay, first I insert one SIM card in the first slot. Insert in this position. Okay, keep the tray and flip this tray like this, and in the back side insert another SIM card. Okay, insert in this position and flip behind. Now bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone here. Okay, now check. Here two SIM cards are showing. Click on OK. Yes, two SIM cards have been detected and they are working very well. So in this way you can easily insert SIM cards in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.